Sawblade.com's Q201 hardback blade delivers sharp, straight cuts in a variety of materials, from hard and soft woods to mild steel, aluminum, brass, and plastics, all at an economical price. What separates the Q201 hardback blade from other blades is our manufacturing process. We use a precise heat treatment to individually harden each tooth in order to produce an extremely hard cutting edge. The teeth will also retain their sharpness longer, meaning your blade will deliver accurate cuts and clean finishes. We also spring tempered the back of the blade to increase its rigidity and strength, allowing it to withstand stress and damaging vibrations. Sawblade.com designed the Q201 to excel in resawing hard and soft woods, but we didn't want to just settle for a good resaw blade, so we over-engineered the Q201. For instance, using a coarse tooth pitch like a 2 to a 6 TPI will give you a quality finish due to the larger gullets that efficiently evacuate chips and sawdust. When you switch to a finer tooth pitch like an 8 to a 24 TPI, the blade will easily cut your mild steels, aluminum, brass, and plastic materials. The Q201 hardback carbon blade is the superior, general-purpose bandsaw blade that you've been searching for. So upgrade your bandsaw machine today with our Q201 bandsaw blade and work with the quality tools that your projects deserve. Sawblade.com makes it easy to order American-made bandsaw blades. We also carry all your aftermarket parts, from wheels, tires, and upgrade guide kits. So you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop sawing shop. I'm Product Specialist Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.